At Vanity Roofing, we start every project with precision and planning.
We ensure that timelines are met so that your roof can be completed on time, every time.
Every nail through every shingle, we treat every home like it's our own.
With 16 active job sites across the city.
Strong, durable, and built to last. That's the Vanity motto.
From choosing the right materials to the perfect solution, we've got you covered.
From the office to the job site, we've got you covered every step of the way.